just went through East Glacier, Montana, on my way over to the beautiful Flathead Valley, which is what I consider home. It's where I was born. Got stuck over on the east side of Montana these days, so I really enjoy my visits back to the valley. A lot of snow up there still. It's about mid-May, so hopefully it'll start melting off a little bit and the weather will turn warmer. It's been a little cool. Okay, well, I have pulled into this parking lot. We're at the Continental Divide. This is called Summit Square. The monument is in commemoration of Theodore Roosevelt for his leadership and conservation of the forests of the United States. On the monument, you will see this plaque. It basically says what I just told you, plus there's a little quote at the bottom. And then now you'll see a statue, and this is of John F. Stevens. He was a civil engineer for the Great Northern Railroad. He's credited with finding and recording this pass back in 1989. This plaque will explain a little bit more about how that was accomplished and some interesting information about that. Lastly but not least, there's a tablet in honor of a longtime trapper and prospector by the name of William Morrison. Mr. Morrison donated his rights to this land, which he lived on for many years. Thank you, Mr. Morrison. This is such a beautiful view. The mountain here has some geological interest along with a resplendent majesty. I could sit here and look at it all day and be happy waking up in the morning in the same spot. Okay, let's take off and see what else we can find out there. Well, I found something I just couldn't resist right here along the highway en route. Isn't this gorgeous? Yep. A little example of the meltwater coming down finally. In the winter, this is just a little more than a trickle. Just beautiful. If I was younger, I would climb up there. Ha ha ha. Glacier. So we're on the west side of Glacier Park. This is where you go into Glacier. And this is
don't know if they're charging at the gates. It would be kind of nice to go into Apgar and have lunch beside like McDonald's. So I have a pass, but I don't really want to cut loose with the money to go make lunch. But anyway, they're ramping up for Memorial Day. Businesses are opening. There's some tourists here. There's golf up and running. Oh, they got the tables going across the Middle Fork, the Flathead River, right here. It's a going good. Here's the sign. Of course, there's people standing right in front of it. Glacier National Park. Nope, my navigator thinks I'm lost. He was trying to send me off in some goose chase on the way here, so I'll turn around up here if they're charging. And they are, so I'm not paying. I'm gonna turn around. Okay, nobody coming. Round I go. We'll stop back in there one of these days when I'm a little more flush with cash. But all I wanted to do was go sit by the lake and make some lunch. But I can do that when I get to Big Fork. Anyway, up the road here a little bit, you go off to the left to Martin City, and they have this thing every February called Cabin Fever Days, and they have these things called barstool races, where they have a hill right in the middle of town. They block it off and make sure there's good snow cover on it. Sometimes they have to haul snow in because we haven't been getting the snow cover like we used to. But anyway, I've seen people come down that hill with a full 5-piece band singing with their generator and that, and I saw somebody come down with like a 5-foot by 8-foot box all decorated up like a case, a 6-pack of beer, and the guys even had hats on, looked like beer bottle caps, and Harleys, and they all slide down the street, and it is very entertaining. And of course they have the concessions and that all along it. And then right past Martin City, here we are dropping into Hungry Horse. Alright, we're going to be going across the new bridge. It might not look like anything grandiose to you guys, but the bridge that was here before was absolutely 2-lane. There was no shoulder or anything. This bridge right here is a massive improvement to the old bridge across the South Fork. Alright, I'm going to leave the camera running because this is going to go into what they call Bernie Park, and I'll pull over there because I am thirsting for some Bernie Park water. There is Bernie Park. And my car is going to go ding, 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 ding.
Oh my goodness, everybody. I really apologize for the wiggly wobbly videoing here. As you may have already guessed, I am a newbie at this. This is my very first video, and this video editing software is very interesting. Anyway, I have drank out of this spring my entire life. I have never gotten sick, but like the sign says, do so at your own risk. It is pure mountain water, nothing but what nature put there. This is a fountain that the water used to come out of back when I was young, and this is a sign telling you about the roadside park.